All right, so this is Filmpire. This is an application I recently built and deployed. This has been an educational project, and this is pretty much a Netflix clone. It has the genres here. It has the categories here, top rated, etc., etc. And to pull all this data in, and authentication is provided by this API, TMDB. As you can see, I'm logged in already. So this is where I'm getting all the data from. And before I get into further details here, let me show you the best feature this has, which is this guy right here. This is a voice command module here. I can just tell it to do things. For example, let's click on it. Make it dark.
Batman likes this, I hope you will as well.
Go to comedy.
Going to comedy category.
Go to upcoming.
Going to upcoming category.
Make it light.
Ah, my eyes hurt. Looks good though.
Search for Superman.
Searching for Superman.
Log in.
Logging you in.
Boom. There you go. You just logged me in, and you saw already the features that I can give it through the voice commands. And this is possible by this API here, Alan AI, and here's my account. I have the project, and this is what the backend code looks like. Luckily, it looks like JavaScript. It's very simple to do. So all these directions I just voiced out there has been written here, and this is how it interprets and gives it a command, so that when it comes to the app, my React backend would interpret and go to work with it. And for all these, I have used the Redux toolkit and Redux slices, create API, etc., etc. Say here we can go to the actors page, and these are the actors' own movies listed with pagination. And here's an IMDb link. Click on it, and it takes you to the actors at IMDb page. Also, let's pick out one more movie here, and then you can see this goes to website IMDb, and it gives you a trailer here. And also, besides pulling it in, I can actually create favorites and watch lists. And these are the data that actually I'm writing back to the API. For example, if I go to my movies, I'll see under my profile there are favorite movies and watch listed movies. So let me go upcoming, and let's get this guy. And if I favorite it and then go back in, and it shows up right here. Also, let's say I go to this movie and I get it out of my watch list, go back, it's no longer there. So these are pretty much all the features. But before I finish out here, I wanted to go over the code pretty quickly. I mean, especially, this search feature like Superman, or let's say clicking on upcoming, which is the category, clicking on a genre. See, all these changes are happening with the Redux toolkit behind the scenes. So let's go check out the code quickly. All right, so here basically under the services, I have this TMDB services. This is where I'm using the create API from Redux query, toolkit query, and this is what all my queries look like. These are all the API routes, and this is where I am actually exporting all the Redux hooks that I'm using all over my application. And this is what my Redux store looking like. And last but not least, these are the features This is where I use Redux slices, which has the reducers and actions that it dispatches. This is how I'm handling the genre and category switching and searching the movie. This is how it's happening. And this is where the Allen AI part, this is where I have the React code set up according to the Allen API, where it actually converts the voice commands into, let's say, dark and light switching, log out, log in, uh, change mode, etc., etc. So that's pretty much what I had to show you on the code side. Now let's go back just to end this. Since I'm logged in, why not we ask Alan to log us out? Log out.
Logging you out.
And that's it. We're logged out. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.